I could not see my workshop without it. I think every workshop should have it. The more people that's on it, the more information it'll get in, the more information it'll give you back. Being a game changer for the business.
I'm Johnny Campbell from DDTSB. If you're a workshop owner or a technician, you know that knowledge gaps cost both time and money. Still unsure whether you should invest or not? Let's hear from these 3 workshops that use it every single day.
We opened in July 2020 as a VW Audi specialist, 11 staff at the moment. Been using DDTSB for the last 4 years. We do rely on it a lot. I'm using DDTSB on every job that comes across my ramp, which is the first step of my diagnosis straight after carrying out a full scan of the vehicle. DDTSB works hand in hand with technical training that I've carried out throughout the years working here at Fife AutoTech. Being a VW Audi specialist, we rely a lot on technical bulletins, because stuff could be software, there could be known faults. The benefit with DDTSB over the OEMs is you can have the same fault, say for an Audi S3, and a Golf R won't have the bulletin even though it's the same engine, whereas DDTSB links all of them together and we're getting an answer a lot quicker, so it speeds your diagnostic time up, increases productivity, increases efficiency, increases profits.
You're looking at multiple brands a day, all with complex faults. So using DDTSB allows us to narrow right down to a specific system in the car, allowing us to turn around the cars quicker and get the car back on the road to the customer in a good time, parts dependent.
When we bring the car in, confirm customer's fault, and it's basically first step to then reference faults against the customer's car. We can then check like a lens signal or a sensor and know what we're looking at and what we're looking for after testing.
Let's take a look at the bulletin there.
Because it's recording live faults that have happened in other workshops throughout Europe, and the information came from other technicians in the workshop, we know that the information is real world. Whereas if we looked at a manufacturer's TSB that is 8, 9, 10 years old, are they going to have a TSB for a 10-year-old vehicle? Probably not.
The example that I would use is we had a 2018 Seat Alhambra. Vehicle was in for a non-start with no fault codes stored. When you look at the instrument cluster and the gear selector, both correctly show the gear position. However, the engine management system doesn't recognise the vehicle as being in park or neutral. This prevents the vehicle from starting. This information is carried on one isolated wire between engine and gearbox. On the Seat dealer level wiring diagrams, this wire isn't identified as carrying out that function. There was a present DDTSB, identified that there was a wiring fault, so instead of spending multiple hours trying to determine what system was responsible, we looked at this DDTSB, we followed the instructions, we found there was a broken wire in exactly the place that was mentioned in the DDTSB. There was also a photo to support where the location was. Because this was available, this saved us hours and hours of system testing for a system that had very little information available from a manufacturer's information system.
Since we've had DDTSB in the workshop, we've noticed a reduction in return work because we're nailing the process, nailing the diagnosis correctly, getting the vehicle back to the customer, a happy customer.
We can get the car diagnosed quicker, more accurately, and the customer gets a first-time fix. It builds trust around.
So there you have it, a few different workshops that use DDTSB every single day, from a Volkswagen Audi Group specialist to a multi-brand workshop. The message is clear. The most expensive hour in your day is the one that you can't bill for. Stop guessing, start earning. DDTSB, link below.